Welcome! In this video, we are going to look at problem 44. It is from the Chapter 3 Review Exercises in College Algebra by OpenStax. Okay, so we have a function h, and we need to express it as the composition of two functions f and g, where h is equal to f composed with g at h. All right, so let's try g of x is equal to 3x squared minus 4, and f of x is equal to 1 over x to the minus 3. Note that could be simply x cubed. All right, there's going to be many answers for this problem, so let's see if this one works. So f composed with g at x is equal to f of g of x. Okay, so g of x is, we're going to replace that with 3x squared minus 4, because that's what g of x is. And now wherever we see an x in the f function, we need to replace it with 3x squared minus 4. So we're going to have 1 over, and instead of x, it's going to be 3x squared minus 4. And we have to raise that to the minus 3. And that is our h of x. So these two functions work. Okay, that's going to do it for that problem. I hope you found that helpful and informative. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.